Hi everyone, my name is Eka. Here in this video, I will present about food and beverage. Do you know what is food and beverage? So, food and beverage is an industry that is engaged in making and serving food and beverage. Specifically, in hospitality industry, especially at Star Hotel, food and beverage is the part of the department that is responsible for meeting the needs of food, beverage, and the needs of guests, which is managed commercially and professionally. So, in this video, I will present or explain about what is food and what is beverage. So, let's start with food. So, what is meant by food? Food is a substance that is eaten by living things to get nutrients, which are then processed into energy, usually from animals and plants. Nutritious food is food that contains sufficient amount carbohydrate, proteins, fats, and vitamins for the body, while adequate food is food that is according to needs based on age and body condition. In addition, healthy food is influenced by how it's cooked, the temperature of food at time to serving, and easily digestible food ingredients. The purpose of eating healthy food for the body is to keep the body healthy, growing, developing properly, and then if these conditions are not met, it is not obtained, but instead disease is formed. So I will give you an example of nutritious food. The first one is food that contains source energy. For example, it's like rice and sweet potato, corn, sagu, and bread. And then second is food that contain building blocks. For the example, it's like tofu, chicken, nuts, liver, fish, and then the third is food that contain regulatory source. It's like for the example, vegetables such as kale, spinach, and other. And for the fruits such as orange, papayas, mango, and melons, and others. And then we know about what's meant by food. And right now, we move to what is meant by beverage. So, what is meant by beverage? Beverage are all types of liquid that can be drunk other than drugs. Drink have several basic functions, namely as a thirst quencher, stimulant or appetite stimulant, energy booster, and means to help the process of digestion of food. Drinks can be divided into many types. However, to facilitate the classification, beverage can be categorized into beverage groups based on their ingredients, area of origin, method of manufacture, and color, and presentation technique, and alcohol content. Broadly speaking, beverage can be divided into two, namely non-alcoholic beverage and alcoholic beverage. The first is non-alcoholic beverage. Non-alcoholic beverage are all the type of drinks that do not contain alcohol. For example, such as mineral water, coffee, tea, milk, juice, and so on. And then we next to alcoholic beverage. Alcoholic beverage or alcoholic drinks are drinks that contain ethanol, a psychoactive substance which, when consumed, will result in loss of consciousness. And for examples, such as vodka, wine, whiskey, beer, and so on. And we know what is meant by food and beverage. And that's all about my video, and thank you very much, and see you in the next video.